here's the Storm Team forecast with student meteorologist Ethan Hughes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is student meteorologist Ethan Hughes, and today we're going to take a look at the weather across the country, take a look at the tropics, take a look at the 7-day forecast local here to Millersville, and then take a look at the weather in the Northeast. As you can see, I have a visible satellite imagery of the United States. As you can see, a cold front has just came through the Mid-Atlantic region with a low pressure system currently hovering over the Great Lakes region. After that, we should see mostly sunny skies and clear conditions as the low pressure system moves out, and across the country is looking mostly quiet and pleasant. And if we take a look here at the Pacific side of the tropics, you can see we have one tropical disturbance off the coast of Mexico that has about a 70% chance of forming. We are most likely to see a tropical depression or a tropical storm form later this week or over into the weekend. And if you take a look at the Atlantic tropical side of things, you can see that we have Tropical Storm Melissa that just formed in the Caribbean. And we can see that right now, Tropical Storm Melissa has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, moving west at about 15 miles per hour. The storm is expected to make about a slow northerly turn later this week and will strengthen into a low and Category 1 hurricane before it kind of stalls out in between Jamaica and Haiti. There are currently tropical storm watches and hurricane watches set up for Jamaica and Haiti, so be on alert for those to possibly turn into warnings, and then be on alert for any storm surge warnings or high wind warnings that will come out of it. And if we take a look here at the satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Melissa, you can see that the convection is starting to build on the east side and is starting to wrap around that rotation, that low pressure system that should continue to evolve overnight and into the next few days, and hopefully we will start to see a more well-defined storm. And if we take a look here at the 7-day, you can see that basically it's going to be mostly a mix of clouds and sun this whole entire week, but highs are going to be in the low to mid 50s, and some days it could be in the upper 50s, but we're basically going to be flatlining here, folks, into the 50s as we are more entering into fall. And then towards the beginning of next week, we could see some possible showers into Tuesday with highs starting to dip into the upper 40s. And if we take a look here at the GFS model of the Northeast, you can see that that slow pressure comes out of the way and a high pressure builds behind it. There are some small possibilities. While this high pressure is involved, there will be some small disturbances that will come through, as you can see, into next week. You can see we could possibly get a cold front coming through with some rain. Other than that, it'll be just like small little disturbances that could bring some rain to the Northeast. But there also could be a chance for some lake effect snow, with some future models are showing some future storms into the beginning of November that could possibly bring some lake effect snow and some snow showers across the Northeast. And that is it for Ethan's Weather Network for this evening.